Hi everyone, this is Ruturaj and welcome to our channel Joint. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how you can find out the details about dividend split and the ratios that we talked about and every other details. So again, we are back to our website moneycontrol.com. So just go to this market section. Here you can see economics calendar, right? Just click on that. Then in this section, you can see economic calendar, earnings calendar, corporate calendar, and IPO calendar. Just hit this corporate calendar thing. Now here you can see all the companies that are offering dividend and when they have announced the dividend and what is the ex dividend date and what is the dividend, like how much dividend they are giving per share. So you can also find the details about bonus. So say for example here Power Grid Corporation has announced bonus on 17 June 2021 and the ex date is 29th July 2021 and the ratio is 1:3. That is, for every one share of Power Grid you would be getting 3 shares of Power Grid. So similarly, you can see all other things, like you can see bonus and then you can see the splits issue or the split ratio issue and what is the ratio. Everything that we discussed, you can find it out here. We can also manually select the event type. That is, if you want to see only dividends, you can see the dividends. If you want to see only the bonus, you can see which companies are giving currently bonus and so on. So this is how you can see all these details. Remember that, say for example, you are holding the shares of Amaraja Battery, then in this case you would be also getting a mail from Amaraja Battery that you would be getting dividend. So if you are holding the shares of any company, then don't worry, they would be mailing you about the dividend details. But if you haven't held the shares of any company and you want to invest it in, then you can go to this markets, then economics calendar, and here you can click the corporate calendar and see that which of the companies are giving dividend and what is the ex date. So you need to now buy before the ex date. So for example, in Alembic, you can buy on 28th July to avail this dividend of 20 paisa. But if you buy on 29th July, then you won't be getting this dividend. Remember that. Either you buy it on 28th of July or you can buy it before that. So for example, you have bought on 28th July and you have the shares in your Demat account, then also you would get this dividend. So you can sell your shares on 29th. It's okay. You can sell it on 29th, you would be still receiving your dividend. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. We have also discussed this in our theoretical lectures. Do give it a revisit if you are confused. So I hope this video is clear and you learned something new in this video. And the next video would be with some new concepts. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.